Number 232, a circle has a diameter of 8.5 centimeters. What is its radius? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 4.25, 3.75, 12.5, and 17 centimeters, and none of the above. Okay, so what is the relation of diameter and radius? So a circle has a diameter of 8.5 centimeters. What is its radius? So the formula is the diameter that is equal to 2 times the radius, 2r. Okay, so this is the, if this is the circle, this is the diameter, and the radius is half. This is the radius. Okay, so the half of the diameter. Okay, so therefore, so diameter is 8.5. So substitute to the letter D. 8.5 is equal to 2r. To solve for radius, so just divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of the radius is 8.5 divided by 2. So let's just do this manually, or just by looking on the choices. The answer to this is letter A. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 0.5 is 0.25. So the answer is letter A, just by looking at the choices. Okay, or let's just divide this manually. 8.5 divided by 2. So put the decimal here. So we have 8 divided by 2. We have 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. Subtract, that is 0. So bring down 5. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract this, we have 1. So we can add another 0 and then bring it down. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So there's no remainder. So therefore, same answer. The answer is letter A, 4.25. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.